Hey you guys, I just want to try to show you this old, let's see that up there on the hill. They said it was an old, holy cow, I'm about ready to go off the road. An old naval base there. Wish I had time to stop and do this, but okay, it's so dark, it looks like. Yeah, I guess I should have waited video a little bit here, but we'll listen to the pipes in it for the meantime. Listen to that baby grunt. She's got a lot of snort. You're not hardly shift her. She's got enough power to pull the hill without having to shift her down. Come in. Anyways, here we're getting closer to it. Listen to her whistle. Naval base. It's kind of freaky, a bunch of old rundown modular homes and holy shit, run off the road stuff in there. I'm usually doing 75 through here, so we're good. I'm only doing 60, so everything's okay. Anyways, one more. Let's crack the other window down here. Listen to that whistle. That's a real truck for you. I hope the boys get a kick out of that. Some cows and a tractor. Can't get them very good. Anyways, yeah. Oh, I was gonna see up there on the hill. Well, it's way out there. It's like 20 miles away from where we have to unload the water in that pit. We only got like 40 more loads to have that pit full. You seen how big it was. Off that picture you can see much, but it was pretty deep. We put 31,000 barrels in it, so which is a barrel is 42 gallons, so whatever that pans out. Yeah, let's see, up on the, well, you can't really tell probably. Yeah, up on that hill is all the trucks, just a well, you can load 2 trucks at a time. Oh, not that, is that it? I can barely see him in the camera, I guess. Okay, well, anyways, love you guys. Hope you have fun. Send me a video, sweetie. Please. Love you. Bye-bye.